What's up, guys? You're welcome to Forex Success. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a way you can buy and sell the same asset at the same time. So what I mean is you can buy and sell GBP USD at the same time and still end up making profits. It's a quite simple step and I'm going to show you. So this should only be done in a case where you don't know where the market is going to head to next. So you're not sure whether it's going to buy or it's going to sell. So you just engage on this simple trick that I'll be showing you today. And at the end of it, you will still make profit. So stick with me in this video and I'll share with you. Welcome to my screen. So in order for you to use this effectively, the first thing you need to do, you need to look for an area or a zone in the market where price is currently struggling to pass. And currently we have a perfect example right here, which is on GBP USD. You can see price is struggling around this zone. Price is struggling to break this high right here, and then when it breaks it, then it's definitely pushing all the way to the upside. Or if it struggles to break it to the downside, then it's definitely dropping down to the downside. So what you need to do, as at this point you are not sure of where price is going to break, whether price is going to break to the upside or it's going to break to the downside. So what you need to do, you need to just box this area, started from the top and then stretch it all the way to the lowest point where price has gotten to. Always remember, I put it from the very top point and then to the very lowest point. So you can see I have boxed it right now. I have put the blue zone from the top and also at the bottom of this range, from the top and the bottom of this range, which is currently happening on the market right now. So that simply means that whichever area market breaks to, if market breaks to the upside, then market is going to buy, and if market breaks to the downside, the market is going to sell. That's just exactly what's going to happen. So now let me show you how you can trade this so that you make profit both from the buy and the sell. All you need is a buy stop and a sell stop. So what I'll be doing right now is that I'm going to set a buy stop. So based on, I know if it breaks to the upside, then it's going to buy. So I'm going to put a buy stop, not buy limit. I'm going to put a buy stop above this, my blue zone, which I have marked out. A buy stop above the blue zone, and then the stop loss for it is going to be below the blue zone. Then I'm gonna place it. Done. So I'm gonna also place a sell stop. Remember I said we are buying and selling it. So I'm gonna place a sell stop. Sell limit, sorry. Sell stop. So sell stop is going to be below, just as at that point where I set my stop loss for the buy stop. Then I'm gonna set my stop loss for the sell stop at that point where I set my buy limit. So just like this, I have set the position, so placed. So what this simply means is that if market succeeds in breaking to the upside like this, then the buy stop will be triggered and then I will make money in profit. Then if the sell takes on, if price breaks below the blue zone, then the sell is going to trigger and I'm going to make money. So in this way, whichever area price goes to, I'm going to make money. So let's watch and see the result of this, right? So let's check it out.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, so this is how much I am currently making. So at the end of it, remember I said, I'm just going to quickly re-explain this. Remember, we'll put a sell stop right here and then a buy stop right here and then a sell stop right here. So I was like, whichever area price is going to break out to, then it's going to go in that direction. So at the end of everything, price broke out to the downside, which then triggered my sell stop and then price dropped. So I am currently on profit of $600 by just not knowing where price will go to. So guys, this is a trick that if any broker find out, they're gonna sue you for it. So you can start using this trick and make money for yourself, definitely. So that's just it, guys. Make sure you do where to sign up to Deriv using the link at the description of this video. Deriv is the only broker that offers synthetic indices. Click on the link to sign up with our recommended brokers, and do where to follow all our social media channels. Follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and follow us on Instagram, definitely. So for free signals, make sure you join our Telegram group. Well, all available right there. So this is how you can make free money even when you don't know where the market is going to head to. So I'm going to be closing my trade right now. So thank you once again for watching.